Class 10 children, today we will learn some more important questions from chapter 6, word problems based on quadratic equations. So my question starts here. A bus covers a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. So distance covered is 240 km by bus. Due to heavy rain, its speed gets reduced by 10 km per hour. So there was heavy rain. So due to that, what happened? Whatever was the speed of bus, after that heavy rain, the bus reduced its speed by 10 km per hour. That means if it was running in a speed of 80 km per hour, now it will run in a speed of 70 km per hour, because 80 is the actual speed of the bus. But when it was raining, then what happened? It reduced its speed by 10 km per hour. That means from 80 km per hour it will become 70 km per hour. So that way they are saying. And as such, it takes 2 hours longer to cover the total distance, and because of that, reducing the speed to travel the distance of 240 km, now it is taking 2 hour extra, 2 hours longer. Now assuming the uniform speed to be x km per hour from an equation, and solve the to evaluate x. So they are telling you that please keep the speed of bus as x km per hour and find the value of x, that is find the speed of bus. So my solution starts. Let the speed of bus be x km per hour. So speed of bus is x km per hour. But after heavy rain, the speed of bus will reduce by 10 km. That means 10 km per hour. That means x will become x minus 10 km per hour. Just like I said, if it was 80, it will become 70. Similarly, if it is x, then it will become x minus 10 km per hour. And distance traveled is 240 km. So in case 1, my speed I am taking as x km per hour. That means in case 1, it was not raining. So that's why actual speed. Distance covered is 240 km. Time formula will be distance by speed. So distance value is 240 and speed is x. So 240 by x hour, because time is given in hour. In case 2, as it was raining, so speed will be x minus 10 km per hour. Distance is same. The bus has to travel 240 km. So time formula is same, distance by speed. So when I apply the value, then 240 by x minus 10 hour. Now what happened? They are saying the bus, now when the speed got reduced, bus took 2 hour extra time. That means I can say this time is 2 hours more than this time. That means this time is less time and this time is more time, because time taken by bus in case 2 after rain was too much. That is, it took 2 hour extra. So I can say 240 by x minus 10 minus 240 by x equal to 2, because difference between these two time will be 2 hours. This is 2 hours more, this is 2 hours less. So this minus this equal to 2. That is what I wrote. Now I will do LCM here. X and x minus 10 is LCM. So here what will happen? This 240 will multiply with x, 240x, and x minus 10 will multiply with 240, and it will be minus 240x minus 10, because here we do covering LCM. When I cover x minus 10, here I will cover x minus 10, and when x minus 10 will cover, then what will happen, children? This remaining x will multiply with 240. So 240x, this minus comes here. When I cover x here, here also I should cover x, and then in that case x minus 10 will multiply with 240. So that way I got this result equal to 2. So after multiplication, our result will be 240x minus 240x plus 2400 by, and lower portion also I will multiply, x square minus 10x, and here this minus into minus will become plus. That is what you can see here, plus. So this both the coefficient and variable got cancelled, plus minus, and here x square minus 10x. Now remaining 2400 by x square minus 10x equal to 2. Then what happens? At the top numerator I can cancel. Numerator 2 ones are 2, and here also I cancel with 2, 1200. So now I can do cross multiplication. Multiplying with 1, we get x square minus 10x equal to, below this there is 1 into 1200 is 1200. 1200 comes this side, then our result is x square minus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation where a is 1, b is minus 10, c is minus 1200. So Sridhar Acharya formula I can apply. And children, if you know middle term splitting, you can do by middle term splitting as well. Both the methods are correct. So when I put the respective values, you can see all the value of a, b, c I have put here. Then I got this result, 10 plus minus root over 4900 by 2. Actually root 49 is 7, but when there is double zero, 1 0 will come out. That means root over 4900 will become 70. Very simple. From 49 I can decide it will be 70. So plus minus is separated. My result is 80 by 2 and minus 60 by 2. Finally I got 40 comma minus 30. But speed of bus cannot be negative. So my result will be x equal to 40. So I can say speed of bus is x kilometer per hour. So x value is 40 kilometer per hour. So this way you can practice many questions. The question related with speed, distance and time you can practice from your book. Thank you children.